Hi everyone. Today we will be discussing about how to view the exam report by a teacher for the respective subjects. So in the last session, we added the marks for the respective subject as a teacher. So as an administrator, they can move to examination and they can go to exam management and they can select the class first in which the exam has been created and they can select the batch. So for this batch, as a teacher, we added the mark that is for G2 2014-15 and you can see the status as exams schedule as in published. So the teacher has already added the mark. You can see if you click this subjects, you can see the marks and the remark has been added by the teacher. So as an administrator, they can publish the exam result by clicking here. They can go to examination and they can generate the report for the examination. For that, they have to select the class. So this is the class that we have created and we can generate. So in this way, as an administrator, you can generate the exam report for the students for that class. So we can log in as a teacher for that batch. So this is login as one of the teacher for that batch, that is G2 2014-15. So you can find examination from academics and we can go to this report center. So as an administrator, we already generate the report. So as a teacher, they can view the report in two ways. First one is subject wise report and the second one is student ranking per subject, because in the subject wise report, you can see, you can select this batch. So it means these three batches handled by the teacher. So we can select G2 batch and you can select the subject. So it means this subject is taking care by the teacher. So in this way, you can generate the report and you can view that. So these students are belong to that particular batch, that is G2 2014-15, and you can see the result like this. You can see the admission number, roll number, and also the exam marks scored in this exam group. If you want to get the PDF report, you can get the report from here, as well as we are also providing the CSV report for the same. So this is about the subject wise report for the teacher. In the same way, if you want to, as a teacher, they want to get the student ranking per subject, they can click this option and they have to select the batch and subject. You can select the G2 batch and subject. So this is all about the student report view option for the teachers.